had a former NX1772, which is now preservation.
Do you know Pullens on the NX?
Oh, I know, everyone, you know what, I think, tell you what, I'm actually going to wind them up. I'm going to play a prank on him. I'm going to just annoy them and say, sorry, we're going in NX.
Welcome guys to service 1 from Rifle Range to Kidderminster.
Was that some X-National Express buses?
And this service is operated by Diamond Buses from their Kidderminster depot. I am joined by James Bush, Train Plane Lift Adventures, give us a wave. Wolverhampton Transport Line, give us a wave. And Lewis, give us a wave. We're just about to depart Rifle Range for Kidderminster. And I'm going to hand you over to Joe for facts about this route.
So then, the number 1 route was first established by Midland Red, which then went into privatisation with First Bus. And Whittles, they operated this core corridor until Diamond took over the Kidderminster garage in 2013. And then in 2018, it had a bit of a reroute to go via the newly opened Silverwoods Leisure Centre, which obviously replaced the Glades Leisure Centre. And then in 2020, the number 1 merged with the number 2 to form the bus number 8, which went to Hales Park. And now it is back as the number 1, but confusingly, it's still displaying the number 8. So I now hand you the camera back. Hand over the camera back to Fenton, who will continue with the next leg of the journey. Back to Fenton.
And we are continuing on to Kidderminster. We have just departed the terminus.
Well,
Thank you, Joe, for the
Harvey
facts.
Norman's got the best ones. Harvey Norman.
What, there we go.
Yeah. And there's one in Sutton now as well. Sutton. Yeah, in the old VHS. There's one in
So
Sutton
here we go.
now.
We are on
I like Harvey Norman, best shot.
the return journey to Kidderminster.
And going back to West Brom, so that means my favourite driver. We're back behind the wheel soon, Mark Hull. And I'm friends with him now.
What's one of the Kenny jobs, you know?
So, I've heard the Kev's work.
Is it 17?
I'm not sure.
226.
Yeah, Tracy, message me that.
No, it's only been extended to Salary.
Yeah, Tracy told me this. So it's like, oh, yeah. Tracy, well, I've seen most of the key drivers learning the route anyway. And Chris Evans, well, he does it. Well, he does anything, he does. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw Zach
Buses now
last
be
week.
fitted with
He
next
was
stop
doing the
announcements.
226, he had the Jubilee bus.
We're now heading on to St Park Road.
Yeah,
There's an XNX bus.
Tappers, man.
It's in the demo.
Yeah.
And now we are turning right. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
These buses, they remind me of the Arriva ones in Telford.
Well,
Arriva on the... well, the only differences with the Arriva ones have changed the maquettes.
they actually trap
Crazy.
And now we're turning left onto Harry Road.
This man here, Wolverhampton Transport Line,
Kidderminster's
he's always on the
finest housing
25,
streets.
and guess who he's had? Lewis, he's had Louise.
I've had Louise, Liz, Jack, Tom Samuel.
And we've also got an old First Bus stopping sign right here because First originally did the Kidderminster local services before
Oh, yeah.
Diamond took over in
Fenton's got-
Oh, yeah, do
2013.
you know what? If you get the 40 to West Brom, and then there's like a pub that you pass, there's an old Tom Westminster bus stop sign there. And
Yeah, I know, I've seen
And
it.
if we got the 76 over in Sutton,
Yeah.
you will find an old Central Buses sign.
76.
Yeah.
Miss Central Buses, they were good.
And
I've got their old
on the
Tom
High Street in Wednesbury, there's an old Travel Westminster sign there as well.
Yeah, and there's a WMPT sign in Kimber as well. If you go on the 580 and the 242, you'll see them.
Yeah.
76 or like 67.
Oh, sorry. 6'7".
Don't get me started on it. 6'7".
Oh, yeah.
Don't get me started on it. Don't get me
Bloody hell, a dishwasher.
For real.
Just show that today. I know what he's doing.
Nice day in a dishwasher.
That should be a lot of the room.
Yeah, he does say that.
I saw him last week.
Almost every driver knows me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Andy Smith was on it a few few weeks ago. I saw him, Andy. The one who I introduced you to in Dudley. Guess who else does? Guess who else does it now? Lewis Nick Henning.
Another former first bus sign.
He's doing that route now. Nick Henning is. Nick Henning. I know. He said, "Come on, tell me what's happening."
It is.
He's always, because what he does this.
You know, telling us on Stratton Road.
He's hilarious, I like him. And then of course Ian Woodson, I like him, he's funny. He used to do 226. Oh, I can imagine him doing the 25 kids here. He'll get lost in before the number one to block the road. He'll get lost. Because what he'll do, he'll end up going down the 242 and then he'll go on the 580. He says, "Sorry mate, I can't do this route. Horrible route. Terrible, you know, too many grumbling passengers."
Oh yeah, Fenton, you know Mark Fisher who works at Kerry Bar?
Yeah.
I saw him in something on food yesterday.
Cool.
Yeah, he does X3.
He's filmed in Stourbridge today with Chrissy Bean. Yeah, Chrissy Bean. That's Mark's best friend, that is. I've got Mark Finching. He's a nice guy, Phil. And his catchphrase is marvellous.
Phil Tom.
That's his saying, marvellous, Phil.
I've seen him a few times.
He's a nice guy, he is. And he does all, like the 7 spin diverted and the 88 today.
I've also got
What's his
another
announcement?
first bus sign. Cut around
Yeah,
here.
Phil. Michael, that was good when you saw Michael Poole in Birmingham.
Again, street on
And now
Yeah, Sam. That was
now we
Sam
have
driving.
another one.
Well, Stuart Taylor, when I had him on
Famous
436, he had a go at a car coming towards him and a cyclist on the road. He said,
Let's give you the inside bit, because
"Come here!"
There was a joint report.
you are neighbours.
Yeah.
And it looks like we're heading back
And what's
towards the main
Stuart
road
Taylor
now.
saying? I'm going to jack this job in.
I'll just pass the
Oh, I
Great
should look for
Church.
Stuart, I did. Oh, yeah?
My house is only lost.
Yeah.
And doing his bits.
I know.
And we're now at Greatfield
Gary, I
Road.
was in Greece, and so was that guy from Stamford, you know, the guy who runs that cheap shop. Cash, when he goes, he calls me Smoking Joe, and I don't even smoke. I never want to smoke because it could damage my lungs.
I'll never smoke or vape in my life.
I mean, to be fair,
I want to have a healthy body.
Because I remember when I was on the 296, Gary was driving, and Owen was sat, and Owen caught this guy back
We're now
on the bus, and
on-
Gary kept on. He said, "You can't be
Road.
vaping on this bus." Yeah.
Got a lovely place
Good
down
Lord,
there.
yeah. And then he called me and Owen weird, and he called Owen homeless. He called Owen homeless, and that was silly, really. Because Owen knows what he knows the procedures anyway.
Yeah.
Because I'm asthmatic and I could end up in an asthma attack. Whenever you see a woman in a mobility scooter, that would be bad chaperone. There's this problem
we're
with
back towards the Stamford Road.
Come on, I need to get down.
Bound, head back to Kidderminster. And in just a few moments' time, you will see the Diamond Bus Kidderminster depot. Home
And then she said,
all the iconic buses that do the kiddie logos, TFB work, and much more. Services across the show.
And the conductor said, "This is not a bus." Oh. Well, what we need is like the old names and lights. We should have the Birmingham and Gloucester Railway Company back.
Do you know the only thing I've got a problem with treating the car? Do you know the light is?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I did like GWR when I tell you.
Ran in towards the Kidderminster Ring Road.
I did like GWR, but what I did, I sat in the wrong carriage in there because I had to go to.
And we're passing Kidderminster Travelodge.
I was going to see
And
Cool. Very handy.
And we're now about to pass the Diamond Bus Kidderminster depot, and I will zoom in for you in just a minute so you guys can all see the buses that are parked up inside the depot.
I've got first class for
Yeah, right, so we're doing my bit, so.
France. Someone opened that store, Mike Baldwin, when he was alive.
Going from the rifle range
And
to
playing
Kidderminster.
Johnny Briggs, and he's some
It's a very
Stourbridge.
short little video that I'm doing.
No.
And the bus we have is an Alexander Dennis Enviro 200, fleet number 2105.
And I'm passing Kidderminster Asda.
The short Enviros are just based at Kidderminster itself. So now we are on our way
And offers for Asda.
Kidderminster
Do you make
on
these?
service.
And
One of
back.
our special guests, Thompson, who will be filming the route. Check his video later on. Our mate Lewis and my good mate, Mr. Wilcome.
I remember when you did this, Harry, when you was on the 17, you went upstairs, and then
That was funny, that one.
Oh yeah, that was good. That
And
was.
you know when you're heading towards Kidderminster bus station when you see the Tesco.
Yeah.
Like, a little short 1-minute video.
Does anybody want Tesco? Where we go for lunch now?
I think I'm going to Morrison's and going to try their salads out.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
I'm going
Try their salads.
You're going to go to Tesco?
Apparently it's
I'm going for
healthy.
this one. My favourite one.
And
Which one?
you got
The Swan.
chicken.
And we went past just.
Because now the travel agents have moved there.
And we have a big up club here as well. At the Tesco petrol station. And now we're heading towards the bus station.
It is that's a shame. There's no sights in Mariel. That was a shame. That was.
I know.
No, no,
I know.
Come on,
And of course, Popeyes
England.
at
Well,
Mariel.
2026.
Popeyes is the
I
best.
hope
in
England
Mariel. Yeah, Louisiana chicken. Except the burger was a bit too much. So
I've tried Popeyes, it's nice.
That's been try Burger and Sauce. It's a nice place.
I think so.
Burger and
Sauce
South
is
is
nice.
our nickname.
Yeah,
now.
they have one in Birmingham as well.
Burger and South.
You like it, don't you?
Yeah, Burger and South.
And we're now at Kidderminster bus station.
Back where we started, but finish.
I know you got a new guy that's kidding out, Stefani, who came from Westminster.
And here we are at the terminus.
That's the 292.
And another ex-Central Bus E200.
Final.
Our final
Back
stop.
where we started.
Fenton. I mean, buses with Fenton. Right, for now.